Hello and a very warm welcome to the Manoj Tiwari Talk Show. My name is Pragya Vatsal and today we have the block pramukh from Shringveripur block, Mrs. Kalpana Pandey. Mrs. Kalpana Pandey, a very warm welcome to our show.
Thank you.
My very first question to you is, how challenging was your election? I heard that you had to move it up to the High Court.
First of all, I'd like to say hello to everybody, to my viewers.
Yeah.
When we thought of contesting the election, it was one-sided election. We thought that it was true also that we are going to win. But later on, when the BJP was not declaring candidate, and we thought who is going to contest from that party, we became little skeptic about that, who will be the candidate. And when this person was declared the candidate of BJP, who was had 37 criminal cases against him, it became quite scaring for us.
Okay.
But still we were very much confident that we are going to win the election and everything will go okay, but still we were expecting about the ruling party. So when we went to take the election forms, so that man was he was sitting in his home with so many people with guns and all, and he said, no, you are not going to get your nomination paper. Nobody will collect Kalpana Pandey's nomination paper.
Okay.
So we came back and we thought, now what to do. Then after discussing with my husband, and he discussed with lawyers and everybody what to do next, what next step we should take. People said we should go for court law, we should take the course of law.
Yeah.
And we thought of this taking the writ to High Court, and luckily we were fortunate that the court heard us, and the judge gave a verdict which was in our favor. So it was really challenging, but after that, rest is history, as you all know. It went smoothly.
So firstly, I'd like to congratulate you on becoming the block pramukh again. And
Thank you.
Now my next question would be that you were telling us that there were a lot of difficulties that you faced in contesting the elections. Now that you have become the block pramukh, what are the difficulties and discomforts that you are facing now?
Actually, people are very supportive.
Okay.
Manoj Pandey has been working there for 15 to 20 years.
Okay.
And people love him like anything. They love him really. People there always follow him, and they're after Manoj Pandey. Like, they want Manoj Pandey to be MLA or in next election. They all love him. So it wasn't difficult for us, and now the work, people also respect him very much there. So I haven't started the work there yet, but we are just planning everything, how we shall start, we shall do it. Now I feel that we will not be getting that much of trouble in doing the work.
Okay.
People are very supportive, so I think that support will pay off.
Yes, it should. Mrs. Pandey, my next question is that your block consists of 51 villages.
Yeah.
So do you have an individual plan for each and every village, or are you going to go for an overall strategy for each?
Actually, every villages have, I think, similar problems.
Okay.
They all have basic problems only, like they don't have water, they don't have electricity, they don't have proper roads.
Yeah.
So I think they all have similar problems. So I think it will be easy for us to start from the scratch.
Okay, so do you think that being the block pramukh, you can work for it, and do you have a roadmap for it?
Yeah, of course I have a roadmap, not very clear one, very clear one, but we have roadmap. We have planned that we are going to start this way. We will first do this, then we'll go with that. We have a plan.
कल्पना जी, आप मुझे फिर ये बताइए कि एग्जैक्ट प्रॉब्लम्स क्या है जो आप देख रही हैं? मतलब कुछ खास प्रॉब्लम्स होंगे जिनके ऊपर आपका पहला फोकस होगा शायद।
देखिए, सबसे ज़्यादा प्लान तो है, they have very bad roads there. They don't have literally roads there.
Okay.
They don't have. तो सबसे पहला प्रॉब्लम तो है कि रोड कनेक्टिविटी बिल्कुल नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है, नो लाइट, नो
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, राउंड वगैरह लिया है?
No, I have been traveling in my village, in all the villages for this previous 1 month. I have been traveling, I have been meeting BDCs, I have been meeting Pradhans.
Okay.
I am seeing the condition of people.
Okay. Ma'am, how is your husband helping you in this? He's also an SP politician and he's also preparing for
He
this
is
election.
only the main leader.
Okay.
I was supporting him, and now I have come front. Actually, he has given me that place. So he's the main one. He knows all the things there, and he is going to support me in this work.
Okay. So, do you like plan on being a shadow about him, or do you plan on like taking the lead?
No, it's not. It's not like I'm going to take lead or he's going to support. We all discuss everything.
Okay.
Not only he and me,
Yes.
but I think whole of the Sringepur Dham people are going to be together and doing the work.
So it's basically teamwork.
It's always a teamwork.
जी यहाँ पे मैं लेना चाहूँगी एक छोटा सा ब्रेक. ब्रेक के बाद आपका दोबारा स्वागत है. कल्पना जी, तो क्या माना जाए कि आप अपने ब्लॉग की मीटिंग्स हर 2 महीने में एक बार करेंगी जैसा कि आपकी ड्यूटी में है, या आपका कोई और स्टाइल होगा काम करने का?
No, definitely I'm going by the rule of the books. So I'll definitely be having meetings and doing my work according to the way it is required.
जी. ऐसा माना जाता है कि ब्लॉक प्रमुख को अपना एक बजट बना के जिला पंचायत को देना पड़ता है, तो ऐसे में आपको नहीं लगता कि जिला पंचायत की भूमिका बढ़ जाती है?
जिसका जो काम रहेगा उस हिसाब से हमें काम करना है.
जी.
जिला पंचायत जैसे फंक्शन करता है, एंड द वे वी फंक्शन लाइक ब्लॉक प्रमुख 6 पंचायत में काम होता है, वी डेफिनेटली डू दैट वे ओनली.
Okay. Ma'am, there are many schemes and many things that the government has been doing for the villages, but there are hardly any that we see on the actual roadmap. So, what are you planning to do? Are you planning to help the villagers by making them aware of their benefits, or are you going to leave them like that?
Well, I think villagers are quite aware of the things, what they want and what they need.
Yes.
They very well know what they need, but thing is policies come,
Yeah.
but they are not implemented.
Okay.
Why they are not implemented? Because people are not faithful. They don't do their work. They just, policies come, they stay in papers, and nobody is going to execute, nobody is going to see them. So we are here. We are here to implement them.
So, do you have a plan about implementing it and
yeah,
also
of
working with the...
Of course, we have planned. We have definite plans how we are going to take help of peoples, how we are taking to take help of BDCs, Pradhans, and everybody, BDO and the ADOs, and they all are going to help us in this work.
जी. मैम, ये जाना जाता है कि ब्लॉक प्रमुख के चुनाव में, जैसे कि हर चुनाव में होता है, काफ़ी पैसा लगता है, तो ऐसे में क्या ये माना जाए कि वो ब्लॉक प्रमुख जो है वो अपने कार्यकाल में उस पैसे को रिकवर कर पाता है?
देखिए, मैं आपको बता दूं कि जैसे मैंने अभी कहा
जी.
कि पांडे जी का, मनोज पांडे जी का बहुत लोग प्यार करते हैं, बहुत उनको रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं वहाँ
जी.
पर, और इस वजह से every single BDC was ready to vote for him.
Okay.
He was just out of love and respect. They all were ready to vote for Manoj Pandey. Since when we came to know that this BDC have won from the different villages, they all were ready. सब तैयार थे कि पांडे जी को देना है, विजयी बनाना है. जो भी कैंडिडेट पांडे जी खड़ा करेंगे, तो उन्होंने मुझे खड़ा किया, तो अब मैं विजयी हूँ. It was, I don't think money played any matter here.
Okay. Mrs. Pandey, we have seen and we know that there is a joint account of the Block Pramukh and the BDO for financial matters related to any kind of development issues that are there. So, do you have the cooperation from your BDO?
Well, today I had the opportunity to meet
Yeah.
BDO. I think she is a nice lady.
Okay.
She is going to cooperate with us. This was the first meeting. Hopefully she'll cooperate with us.
जी. मैम, ये माना जाता है कि कमीशन खोरी बहुत है और वो निचले स्तर पे तो काफ़ी हद तक फैली हुई है, तो ऐसे में क्या हम लोग ये सोच सकते हैं कि कल्पना पांडे जी अपने कार्यकाल में इस निचले स्तर की ये कमीशन खोरी को हटाने का कोई काम करेंगी?
कोई नहीं, बहुत काम करेंगी,
जी.
लेकिन वो वक्त लगेगा, धीरे धीरे करूँगी.
जी.
अभी शुरुआत करूँगी. देखिए, करप्शन ऐसी चीज़ है, वो पूरी तरह मिटती नहीं है, कम हो जाएगी. कम करने में पूरी कोशिश करूँगी, और भगवान चाहेंगे तो ज़रूर पूरी होगी.
जी.
लेकिन ये है कि अभी तो बहुत करप्शन है.
Ma'am, may I know that where does the Kshetra Panchayat get its income from? Like my audience would like to know, like where does it get its income from for the development issues and everything?
Chet Panchayat gets, it's I think funded. This is funded. We get money from government agencies, policies. I think
Okay,
it's government only gives fund for this Chet Panchayat development.
okay, and you work according to that and according to the government policies.
Yeah, we have to work according to how the policies are there and
Okay.
how much fund we are going to get from.
Do you also make policies, like make some plans or development plans for the area?
We make plan, we make proposals.
Okay.
As far as I know, what I know about this,
Ji.
we are going to give our plans or proposals for certain works, and it's up to them to approve. Well, they'll feel कि yeah, this is okay, this plan is fine, they'll naturally approve them.
जी मैम, आपको क्या लगता है कि इस बार विधानसभा चुनाव में क्या मुद्दे होंगे? अब तो आपके पास काफी सारे गांव वाले आते होंगे अपने मुद्दों को लेकर, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि सबसे ज्वलंत मुद्दे इस वक्त क्या होंगे?
सबसे ज़्यादा मुद्दा तो यही है कि बहुत अशांति है, फ्रस्ट्रेशन इज लॉट. सब लोग परेशान हो चुके हैं, बहुत परेशान हैं
जी.
कि बड़ी बड़ी बातें होती हैं, रूलिंग पार्टी खूब बड़ी बड़ी बातें करती है, एंड ग्राउंड पे देखिए तो देयर इज नो वर्क इज डन. और अशांति बहुत है लोगों में, लोग संतुष्ट और पीसफुल नहीं हैं. इस वजह से मेरे ख्याल से दे वांट चेंज.
जी. As an SP leader, like what role will you be playing in the upcoming assembly election?
Well, I am going to converse for my husband Manoj Pandey for this election, like Samaj Party, a leader.
So you can like clearly say that your bloc will be supporting Manoj Pandey completely.
Totally.
And you'll be working for it.
Yeah, surely
Yeah,
I'll
so
be working for
Shringeri
him.
bloc is completely with Manoj Pandey.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah. So you think that SP is going to come in the government next year, like
Hopefully.
in the next
Let's-
assembly elections?
Hopefully, because people are like, as I told you, they are quite, frustrated, and they are quite, disappointed by this government. They feel that government has not done nothing. They have been promising a lot of things, but on ground nothing has happened.
But before also in the previous assembly elections, we could see that the people were frustrated, but they still did not support SP completely. What do you think has completely changed that you have a confidence that SP might become?
Time has changed. 5 years more has been given to them.
Okay.
They got more 5 years, but nothing happened again.
Okay.
So now the frustration has reached its level.
Finally, coming to an end, my question would be this is a personal question. How are you going to manage both the responsibilities, like a housewife and that too of a block promoter?
At this stage, as my kids have grown up,
Yeah.
so it's easier for me to manage both the things.
Okay.
Now they're grown up, now they can manage themselves. So house will be managed quite easily by me, and both the work I can do it.
Yeah. Finally, what is your आप अपने क्षेत्र की जनता को क्या संदेश देना चाहेंगे?
मैं जनता को यही कहना चाहूँगी कि सबसे मुख्य जो चीज़ है वो है शांति, वो है आप एक दूसरे के साथ प्रेम से, सौहार्द से रहें. क्योंकि देखिए, सबसे ज़िंदगी में ज़रूरी होता है शांति और प्यार. ये अशांति जो मची हुई है पूरे अभी देश में हमारे, वो ना हो. इसलिए मैं अपनी जनता से कहूँगी, सिंगवेरपुर धाम के लोगों से कहूँगी कि आप लोग मिलजुल के रहें, प्यार से रहें. और ये जो डेवलपमेंट है, प्रोग्रेस है, प्रॉस्पेरिटी है, नेचुरली दिस विल हैपन. आप अगर प्यार से, खुशहाली से रहेंगे एक दूसरे के साथ, तो धीरे धीरे ये सब चीज़ें भी होती ही होंगी. और प्यार और शांति नहीं है तो किसी चीज़ का कोई मतलब नहीं है.
जी. कल्पना पांडे जी, आपका हमारे शो में हिस्सा लेने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद
जी. जैसा कि आपने देखा, हमारे साथ थी श्रृंगेरपुर ब्लॉक से मिसेस कल्पना पांडे, जो कि यहाँ की ब्लॉक प्रमुख है. इन्होंने हमें काफ़ी सारी राजनीतिक मुद्दों पर हमसे खुलकर चर्चा की. ऐसे ही कई दिग्गज नेताओं से आपकी मुलाकात हम कराते रहेंगे. इजाज़त दीजिए मुझे, यानी कि प्रज्ञा वत्सल मिश्रा को, और देखते रहिए मनोज तिवारी टॉक शो.